I'm in one of the busiest subway stations in the world, Tokyo Station in Japan. Near the Yaesu South exit is an underground alley called Kyo Street. Millions of commuters and tourists pass through Tokyo Station every day, and there is one special restaurant that specializes in vegan ramen, T's TanTan. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Arigatou. Let's eat. What I'm really looking for, I think, in a ramen is a really thick and rich broth. The flavor of the broth and the toppings will differ depending on the chef and the restaurant, making this one of the most popular dishes in Japan. Actually, kind of reminds me of my childhood. These are kind of preserves that come pickled. Getting complex flavors is one thing. Having great elasticity in the noodles is what does it for me, because there's nothing worse than mushy noodles. The thing I love about ramen is that it's kind of building flavor upon flavor, just a lot of different layers. The gyoza is quite nice. It has cabbage, good amount of ginger. This bean paste that they put on top of the ramen is a dobanjan. It's kind of a Chinese fermented bean paste. There's nothing better than just quick, easy, simple, and delicious ramen. Really, the goal of ramen is supposed to be just hot, delicious, satisfying, really quick, on-the-go kind of food. But they just make it so complex because all the work is done ahead of time. Just incredible. In addition to today's special episode, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan ramen at home so easy you won't be noodling around. Vegan shio ramen. Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Now that I'm back in Canada, I want to show you how to make a easy vegan ramen at home. 1 clove, garlic, finely chopped. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 1 piece of ginger, grated. Finely chop 1 full stick, green onion. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Heat up another saucepan on medium heat. Drizzle with olive oil. Saute your prepped veg for 2 minutes. A handful of dried sliced shiitake mushrooms, about 10 grams of kombu, 2 cups water. Season with a generous pinch of salt, cover, and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Cook the noodles in the boiling water as per package directions. Loosen the noodles with chopsticks occasionally. Serving bowl, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon sake, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Remove the kombu to discard or save for other recipes. Flavorful stock ready. Pour the stock into the serving bowl to combine the flavors. Use a sieve to drain the water from the noodles. Top your ramen with fresh green onions. And shredded nori. You can now make this delicious shio style ramen with absolute confidence. And just like that, you can make your very own restaurant quality vegan ramen. That's just amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Crazy to think that not too long ago,